Last week you learned all about making gradients, but today you'll learn how to make the fade in effect on a picture. Welcome to the Canva classroom, everybody. Let's get started. We're choosing a square size today and selecting create a blank Instagram post. This one is called our wedding reception. Set image as background. This image is called wedding and it is a Canva Pro image. We need to find draw beta to give this image a faded effect. Where can you find it? Great question. You would go to more and then draw beta will be here under create something new. If you've not used it, then it will say connect or use. We're going to click white and click marker. And I'm going to go ahead and make it larger. We're just going to go ahead and go all the way around this image. Right? Just the edges to leave the center part here and click done. See, so this is a separate image. We're going to click edit image. And now here's adjust, see all, and we're going to blur it. And then click out. We need to work on it a little bit. Get a grid. We're going to right click, send backwards, and then put that image right in. And we can make it a little larger. What we're going to do now is actually send it all the way to the back. What you're going to do is click that and click the lock to lock it. Now that won't happen. We can move this couple anywhere in the image that we like and just leave it like that, or you can add that lime green blur. Let's make these white. And we can duplicate it a couple times. Canva can become predictive and know where you're going to put things, so when I duplicated it, it automatically started putting things where I wanted it. Unlock this, and if you wanted to change this to like a black and white image, you click the back. You can actually take out the saturation or even just put it in a little bit, and it will give the image a great effect. You can now download your image. If you're having trouble with that, then check the description for the download tutorial. You won't want to miss this lesson if you need to learn how to create a poll image to increase your engagement on your YouTube community tab or Instagram page. It's on your screen right now for you to click, but it's also in the recommended video selection in the description below. If you like today's Canva tutorial and want to see more like it, make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!